naganaka. The grammar of naganaka is mean that very, quite, pretty, rather, just not, or something. And when you use the grammar of naganaka, you can use with the verb, noun, and adjective. You see here, you should begin by the naganaka, and after that you could follow by verb or noun or adjective which you want to use. And all this had the meaning of very, quite, pretty, rather, just not, or something. To make more understand about how to use the grammar of naganaka, let's go to see some example together. The first example, nakanaka omoshiroi sou desu. Nakanaka omoshiroi sou desu. It means that sounds quite interesting. That sounds quite interesting. The next example, 彼はなかなか本を読む。彼はなかなか本を読む。Which means he reads quite a lot of books. He reads quite a lot of books. In here for our first sentence that they use the naganaka with the adjective. In here our adjective is omoshiroi. Omoshiroi is adjective and it means interesting. But when they use with the so they cut out the e, so it just left the only omoshiroi, right? So the meaning that for the first sentence that we use is adjective. And for the second sentence, they use the naganaka with hong. Hong is mean noun. Noun is the noun and has the meaning of book, right? So after the naganaka in the second sentence, they use the noun. So it is what you have to notice or what you have to focus for the grammar when they use what they use in the sentence, right? And what they use in that sentence. That if you want to understand, you should learn step by step like this. Let's see the next example. この料理はなかなか美味しいですね。この料理はなかなか美味しいですね。Which means this food is quite good. This food is quite good. The next example. 彼らはなかなか手強い相手ですね。彼らはなかなか手強い相手ですね。Which means they are pretty tough opponents. They are pretty tough opponents. For the first sentence that you see that they use the naganaka with the adjective is mean in here our adjective is adjective oishi is mean tasty or good or delicious, right? Oishi is mean delicious or tasty. And here is it is the adjective because it ends by e, right? Oishi, right? And for the second sentence, you see that they use the naganaka te kowai aite desu. In here is the compound noun, right? Te is mean your hand, but compound noun we use with the long, right? Te kowai aite desu. In here is mean the compound noun. So we can mean that for the second sentence, they use the grammar of naganaka with the noun, right? Thank you very much for watching my video clip, and please help me subscribe my channel if you haven't. I hope to see you about learning Japanese in the next time. ありがとうございました。